Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a game-changing set of earbuds that are a reasonable price, check these out from Piegricdiat. These earbuds are super comfy to use, and my favorite part is I get to use them even when I'm laying on my side with no discomfort. The earbuds come in a really cute little case, making them really easy to take with you wherever you go. What I really like about these is normally when I use earbuds, they come out of my ears constantly. I must have the smallest ears in the world. However, this is probably the first pair that I've ever used that does not do that, even when laying on my side. When I'm on my side, I don't want to feel any discomfort at all, of course, in my ears, and these are super comfy. The silicone does not aggravate my skin, and I really like that they stay put once I put them in. Thanks to the little tiny fanish part at the top, they very easily rotate in my ears and stay in place. The sound quality that you get out of them is really good, and it easily blocks out exterior noises if you have a snoring partner or if you have noises around you. Even while walking, these earbuds are super comfy and they stay put, and I really like that they connect to all of my devices with no problem. You get a great charge out of these, and for being so reasonable, they are really such a game changer. I'm really impressed with the quality of them as well as the comfort. It is beyond compare, but that's just my point of view.